Wise Shopify Payment Integration 2026. How to set it up. The important thing is that Wise isn't replacing Shopify Payment. You can use a Wise business account as the bank account that receives eligible Shopify payouts. Depending on your Shopify region setup, Wise specifically says you can connect Wise to Shopify and that you need a fully business Wise account with account details. So here, all you need to do is get yourself a Wise business account. So you can open it up. So you can put in a Wise business. So once you're there, click on just do this. Be able to open up, then enter email, show a few documents and whatnot, and then you're done. Or maybe add your Wise bank details. You can do that by clicking out details right here. Here you also have there's a lot of currencies. You can choose one which it has different details that you can use. There you go, as you can see right there. There you go. So why this can save money? The potential saving aren't because Shopify payments itself becomes cheaper. The benefit is what you can do after receiving the payout. For example, Shopify payout wise business hold the currency, convert when needed based on prior expenses. So why say it's business account supporting holding and converting multiple currencies and uses the mid-market exchange rate without an exchange rate markup. So there you go. Important note, Shopify payout requirements and Wise account details availability vary by country and business. So yeah, don't promise any of your friends to do that, guys. Anyways, there you go, guys. Yeah, don't promise people that you do that. So there, I hope you do enjoy the phone. No question, concerns, have a question below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible, and thank you, guys.